Hi guys, I'm here at Thyngs and we're getting ready for this Thursday's Macmillan coffee morning. Now I just wanted to catch up with everyone to make sure that you know exactly what you're doing with your cashless technology. So, if you've got an iPhone and one of these beautiful boxes, all you need to do is open your camera, hover and tap the link. From here, you can donate as much or as little as you need to, using the card payments that are already in your phone. Now for some of you, you may have the NFC technology, which is exactly the same as what you use for Apple Pay. So with this, with a newer iPhone or an Android phone, you merely need to tap your phone, follow the link, and it's exactly the same process. Good luck guys, I hope you raise loads of money for Macmillan, and we'll be sharing pictures and videos of our event at the end of the week. Thank you.